The PlayStation Portal is a handheld device designed for streaming PS5 games wirelessly. It may occasionally encounter issues during software updates, becoming stuck on the software install screen. This issue can stem from corrupted downloads, network interruptions, or firmware bugs. A primary troubleshooting step involves a hard reset. To perform this, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to force a shutdown. Once the device is off, attempt to enter safe mode by pressing and holding the power button until you hear a beep. From there, select Restart PS Portal or Update System Software. Ensure your device is connected to a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi network to minimize interruptions during the update process. This will solve the problem for most users. If initial troubleshooting steps fail, a factory reset may be necessary to resolve the stuck update issue. This process restores the PlayStation Portal to its original settings, clearing any corrupted data that might be causing the problem. Recovery mode provides an alternative method for resetting the device. Introduced in later firmware versions, it can be accessed through a specific button combination on the PlayStation Portal. This mode allows you to restore the device without losing data, if available. For advanced users, sideloading firmware using a USB drive is an option. This involves downloading official firmware files from Sony's website and installing them manually. However, this method is not generally recommended due to potential warranty implications and the risk of further complications if not done correctly. To prevent update issues in the future, ensure a stable network connection during updates, avoid any interruptions such as power outages, and keep your PlayStation 5 console updated. These measures help maintain reliable firmware installations. Sony continues to improve the PlayStation Portal by integrating it more tightly with PlayStation 5 updates. This reduces standalone firmware issues and enhances overall reliability of the remote play device.